Welcome to our deep dive into the OSI model. Today we explore Layer 7, the application layer. The application layer sits at the very top of the OSI model stack, acting as the gateway for network services. As Layer 7, it is the interface between the software we use and the underlying network communication protocols. It's a common misconception that this layer is the application software itself. Instead, it provides the network services that software relies on. Its primary function is to enable applications to access network resources efficiently. By providing network services directly to end-user applications, it makes complex networking transparent to the user. When you click a button in your browser, the application layer initiates the request, setting the communication process in motion. Think about your daily digital tasks. Web browsing, emailing, and file sharing all start right here. Whether you're loading a web page in your browser or syncing your email client, you're utilizing application layer services. Even moving files between a local machine and a remote server relies on specialized protocols defined at this layer. To facilitate this, the layer uses a suite of common protocols that define how data is structured and exchanged. We use HTTP and HTTPS for web traffic, while FTP handles the structured transfer of files. For communication, SMTP, POP3, and IMAP protocols ensure our emails are sent and received reliably. And we can't forget DNS, which translates human-readable domain names into IP addresses for the network to understand. Let's see how these interactions actually move data through the network infrastructure. Applications send requests to servers, and the application layer ensures the server can interpret those requests correctly. Data packets are prepared, structured, and flowed across the network, triggered by these application layer protocols. To summarize, the application layer is the crucial bridge between user intent and network execution. It serves as the interface where users interact with network services, shielding us from the complexities of lower layer transmissions. Ultimately, the application layer is the true starting point of all communication in the OSI model.